What if you could manage your entire retirement strategy, from aggressive stock growth to safe, liquid cash, all under one login without the headache of multiple banks? When I first started looking at Ally Bank for retirement, I thought they were just a high-yield savings play. But after setting up my own retirement-ready ecosystem, I realized the power is in how you link their banking side with their investment side. Here is the exact account setup I use to stay organized and retirement-ready. The foundation, the safe bucket savings. First, you need the Ally High Yield Savings account. This isn't where you build wealth, it's where you protect your retirement runway. I use the buckets feature to divide my cash into two specific categories. The emergency fund, 6 months of living expenses. The opportunity fund, cash waiting to be moved into the market during a dip. By keeping this at Ally Bank, the interest rate is significantly higher than a traditional big bank savings account, and the money is FDIC insured. The growth engine, Ally Invest IRA. Next is the core of the strategy, the Ally Invest Self-Directed IRA. I chose a Roth IRA because I prefer tax-free withdrawals later. What makes this setup work is the integration. Because my savings and IRA are in the same dashboard, I can move money instantly. I focus on low-cost index ETFs here. If you aren't comfortable picking your own stocks, Ally offers robo-portfolios with a 0% advisory fee if you keep a portion in cash, which perfectly aligns with a conservative retirement mindset. The stability layer, IRA CDs. For the portion of my retirement fund that I'll need in the next 3 to 5 years, I don't want it in the volatile stock market, but I want more yield than a savings account. This is where the IRA High Yield CD comes in. I set up a CD ladder within my IRA. This means I have different CDs maturing at different times, giving me a steady stream of predictable cash flow while keeping the tax-advantaged status of the IRA. The flow, automation. The secret sauce is the booster feature. I have roundups turned on for my spending account, which sweeps small change into my savings. I also use surprise savings, where Ally's AI looks at my checking account and moves safe to save money into my retirement buckets automatically. By combining a high-yield savings for liquidity, a self-directed IRA for growth, and IRA CDs for stability, you create a closed-loop system that's incredibly easy to manage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.